Hello everyone, welcome in module 2 of crop production and management. In the previous module, we read about agriculture, crops, type of crops and agricultural implements. Now in this module, we are going to study about agricultural practices such as preparation of soil and seed sowing. So let's start. Crop production involves many steps and various tasks performed by a farmer to produce good crops are called basic agricultural practices. So very first plowing is done to prepare the soil, then seeds are sown and then the manures and fertilizers are added. After that the plants are irrigated. And to grow healthy crop, weed removal is also required. Once the crop is matured, it is harvested. After harvesting, threshing and winnowing is done and then the food grains are stored for later use. Let's now study these steps in detail. For healthy growth of plants, selection of location and nature of soil is very important. And these points are to be taken care. Field should be open to allow sufficient air and sunlight to the plants. Field should be fenced to protect crop from stray cattle. And the soil quality should get tested at soil testing center. Soil should contain all nutrients needed by the crops. The next step is preparation of soil that involves plowing, leveling and manuring. So let's study about plowing. It loosens and turns up the soil and it is done by plow or cultivator. Loosening of soil has many advantages. It allows more air passes to the soil, hence good crop production happens. Now there is more retention of water in the soil and while plowing the nutrients are brought up. After plowing the soil is leveled. Big clumps of soil are broken down into small pieces. It is done by using wooden plank or the iron leveler, as you can see in the diagram. And plowed land is leveled and pressed lightly. Plowing and leveling is followed by manuring. It means mixing soil with manure, which helps in increasing the soil fertility. After the field is prepared, the seeds are sown and the process of putting seeds in soil is called sowing. Seeds should be of high yielding variety and they should germinate into plant. Seeds should be sown at right depth and at proper distance. Seeds should be disease resistant, means free from diseases, and viable, means they should grow into new plant if get all favorable conditions. Seeds are sown in the field by two methods. One is broadcasting. It means scattering the seeds in the field. It has a disadvantage that it reduces the crop yield and unequal distribution of seed is there. Another method is using seed drill in which through funnel the seeds are sown in the soil. It saves time and seeds are sown at the right depth. For certain crops, seeds are not directly sown in the main field. They are first sown in the nurseries and then seedlings are transferred to the main field. The example is paddy. Now let's revise whatever we studied today. So now we know various tools used in agricultural practices are called agricultural implements. Plow, hoe, seed drill, trowel, harrow are some common agricultural implements. Various tasks performed by a farmer to produce a good crop are called basic agricultural practices. The basic agricultural practices are selection of location and nature of soil, preparation of soil, sowing, weeding, irrigation, crop protection, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, and storage. Sowing is commonly done by two methods, broadcasting and using seed drills. That's all for today. Have a good day ahead.